Dealing with sinus toothache, what it is and how to relieve tooth pain. Toothaches can be brought about by various causes. Most of the time, you'll find that it's the result of tooth decay, gum disease, or another condition in the mouth. In some instances, though, it can be caused by an infection in your sinuses. What is sinusitis-induced tooth pain? Sinusitis is a condition where the sinuses get infected by viruses or bacteria that have entered through the nose. A sinus infection manifests itself not only in the form of sore throat, thick and discolored mucus, and inability to smell and taste, but also through pressure and tenderness around the eyes as well as in the mouth. This so-called sinus pressure is that unbearable pain felt in the maxillary sinuses right behind the cheekbones. This happens when the sinus cavities become inflamed and swollen from the infection. The swelling tends to exert pressure on the teeth right below the nasal passages, which is what causes tooth pain. The commonly affected areas are the upper rear teeth, as well as those closest to the sinus cavity. How can you tell if a toothache is a sign of sinusitis? You are typically able to determine if your toothache is due to sinusitis or not by understanding the pain you are feeling. A toothache caused by dental problems is usually felt only in the affected tooth. However, if you're feeling discomfort in several teeth along with ear pain, sore throat, and the other symptoms mentioned above, it's likely that the toothache is caused by sinusitis. In this case, your priority is to treat the infection to relieve yourself of the pain. How do you relieve sinus toothache? Since the pain you are feeling is brought about by infection, you should schedule an appointment with your doctor. If the pain is unbearable, though, here are some things you can do to alleviate the discomfort before you go to your appointment. Heat drinking water. Extra fluids can help thin your mucus so that it drains from your sinuses easily. Eat green vegetables such as broccoli, asparagus, leafy greens, and bean sprouts. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, which help prevent the effect of histamines. Add foods that are rich in calcium and vitamin C to your diet, as these help counteract histamines too. Use a saline solution to rinse your sinuses. This will help clear the cavity while moisturizing your sinuses. Breathe in steam, like the vapor from a bowl of hot water, or take a hot shower and breathe in the warm, moist air. This helps open your nasal passages and relieve sinus pressure. When should you see a doctor or dentist? If you suspect that your tooth pain is caused by sinusitis, you should first see your doctor. He or she will be able to give the appropriate prescription to clear out your sinuses and make you feel better. That said, aside from the home remedies mentioned above, don't self-medicate. It's best to seek professional advice before taking any medicine. On the other hand, if you think it is caused by a dental problem, or if the toothache persists even after your sinuses are cleared, book an appointment with your dentist. He or she will examine your mouth and request an X-ray so that you can know for sure if there are problems that need to be addressed. Conclusion: while a majority of toothaches are caused by problems inside the mouth, it can also be caused by infections in the surrounding area. Sinusitis, in particular, is known to cause tooth pain and tenderness, meaning that it's easy to mistake the two for each other.
Toothaches may seem like minor problems, but they can become so severe that they can hinder you from going about your tasks. Moreover, they can also lead to more serious problems, so it's best to schedule an appointment with the dentist as soon as possible. If you're looking for a professional local dentist in Ann Arbor, search no further. At Dental House MI, we bring a level of commitment and years of experience to the practice and make sure that your visit is as pleasant as possible. Get in touch with us today to make an appointment.
Why choose Dental Health MI to care for your oral health? Are you looking to bring back the confidence behind your smile? Our qualified and reliable local dentists can help improve your dental health with our multifaceted services. Get in touch with us today for a free consultation. Give us a call to book your appointment. Visit us at our 3 locations: Ann Arbor 734-999-9909, Waterford 947-999-9909, West Bloomfield 24848-22222, or visit our website dentalhousemi.com. Thanks for watching our video.